Kasi mahirap eh. Ano mo yun? Magkagusto kay Belle. Kasi lahat naman nasa kanya. Wow!
Sobrang proud ako sa'yo at
She is really good. Yeah, she is. So, I'm so proud of you. Alam mo naman yan.
Thank you for being here tonight. It really means so much na nandito ka.
Ano ka ba? Para sa'yo. Kahit
Wow!
anong gagawin ko. I just want to say, sobrang proud ako sa'yo.
Thank you so much once again.
Again, I'm so proud of you.
Aww.
Just pretend.